Today would have marked day one in the murder trial of former Decatur police officer Mac Marquette. But last week, a Morgan County judge moved the trial date back 2 months to June.
Judge Charles Elliott also ruled last week that Marquette did not act in self-defense of the on-duty shooting death of Perkins during a botched repossession of his truck. Perkins was killed in September 2023, and his wife has also filed a lawsuit against Marquette, other officers on the scene that night, and the city of Decatur. News 19's investigative reporter Dallas Parker is following both ends of this case. Dallas.
That's right. The criminal case is pending, but Marquette has the right to appeal the court's order rejecting the self-defense claim. Now, on the civil side, though, lawyers for Perkins' widow submitted a new filing arguing the case should not be dismissed. They argue the defendants are trying to use the lack of evidence at this early stage to argue that Katrella Perkins does not have enough facts to support her claims. Now, in a joint motion to dismiss, the officers present the night of Perkins' death argued that factual details such as the exact timing of the events that night make it factually impossible for them to have acted differently. They say that means they cannot be liable for their actions that night. But attorneys for Perkins' estate say key details like what exactly happened during the shooting and the defendant's state of mind will come out during discovery. That's the evidence portion of a case. Now, the evidence gathering process in a civil case, the Perkins family lawyers say the defendant have access to all of the evidence needed for them to prove their case against the officers and the city of Decatur. Now, attorneys for the Perkins estate say they are asking the court to deny the defendant's motion to dismiss, citing that the amended complaint that they filed fixes the issues the court identified before and includes facts that, if proven, could support a ruling in Perkins' favor. The federal judge in this case has not yet issued a decision on the filing. However, I will work to keep you updated, keep an eye on that case file, and we'll be sure to bring you the latest here on air, online, and on our News 19 app.